Saying farewell to a place sometimes can be very saddening. I've walked this route very many times by the stream, and I don't think I'll come back here again, because sometimes life just pushes you to another direction. So this is probably the last walk, hopefully not, but in a long time I might not be able to come back here. So I'm enjoying this walk and the scenery, because where I am right now, the sceneries are not as beautiful. The rivers don't bubble as loud. The trees and the breeze is not as soft and smooth to the skin as it is here. And the maize does not wither as it does here. Withering is not a good thing, but sometimes it's the identity of a place when it does not rain. Where I am currently, there is irrigation, a lot of it. So there is no withering. There is artificial growth. But here, it is just natural. Everything is right. Everything goes by the dictation of nature. It is a beautiful place. But even beautiful places sometimes become a part of your past. They become memories, and if I cannot walk them physically, then I am going to record them, and I'm going to walk them electronically when the nostalgia of the place gets to me. And I'm still going to have the satisfaction of knowing I once walked there. God did help me to walk there. God did help me to discover beautiful places that normally I would not have discovered. So this is how my path looks like. And I assure you, once I upload this video, once in a while I'm seated alone, or even with my family, I will revisit these walks and remember and feel like I am walking them again. And I will have the same feeling, endorphin, or the dopamine that I am having right now when I come across this nature that is untampered, this nature that shows me fruits that I don't even know whether they are edible or not. They can't be, since they are along a road, along a path that many hungry souls that do pass through. So clearly, they are not edible. But I will walk this serenity. Look at that path. You will not find this path in the city, or even in some villages where you live. These are paths that are downstream by the valley downside. They only materialize where the stream divides two valleys. That's where you will only find such a satisfied walk. I am happy to walk this path. I am happy for the scarecrows. I hope they are doing their job. I am happy to see a place where you can literally come and camp with your family, with, of course, the permission of the owners, and feel the serenity of the land. I am happy. I am happy. This plant does look like it is a medicinal plant. I hope that it has cured something. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. So, if one day I tell you I'm going down the valley, you know where to find me, because this is a valley where all sorrows are washed away. And so here I must part with the path by the stream and must go up the valley where life awaits. The mangoes, by the way, are in full season. In about 2 months' time, by March, middle of March, or even end of February, there will be a lot of mangoes for consumption.